Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 20th of December, which means that I will be unboxing the box that is labelled number 20 on my hashtag gifted LookFantastic advent calendar. So we're just gonna jump right in and get started. So this is the Mio Clay Away Body Cleanser. It is a 2-in-1 wash and mask. Apply the versatile wash to wet skin all over your body and thoroughly rinse off. For a more intense treatment, apply to dry skin and leave for 2 minutes before rinsing off. If irritation occurs, stop using it immediately, not for facial use. I've never owned a body mask before. I've also never heard of Mio as a brand, so I am quite excited. Oh, it smells very tea tree, like very strong of tea tree. So that's gonna be very good on my shoulder acne that has developed over this winter. I'm not too pleased about that. I've just put the tiniest bit on my finger and I'm gonna put some on my hand. It's a little bit of a green solution. And considering it's a clay mask, it doesn't actually feel very heavy, and a little bit has gone quite a long way. I can definitely tell it's a clay mask from the way that it's starting to dry and already tighten up on my hand. So I've now waited about 2 minutes with this on my hand, this Mio clay mask. I'm just going to use this damp cloth to rub it off and rinse it off. That came off really easily. There was no fighting from the clay. And I have to say, my skin feels really soft in that one patch. I can tell where it's been on because the rest of my hand feels quite rough. Have you ever had a Mio product? Have you unboxed this today on door number 20? Let me know in the comments down below what you thought. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Tune in again tomorrow to see what I unbox behind door number 21. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.